Hi everyone, welcome back to Caking at Midnight. Tonight we're going to go back to the basics a little bit and work on a simple rosette. So let's roll that intro. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's at caking_at_midnight. And if you liked the video this evening, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. Alright, so to get started, you're going to need a 1M tip, which is a large star tip, and a piping bag. Make sure that the buttercream doesn't get too warm in your hand when you're holding it, because then your rosettes are going to fall together. But the main thing when you do a rosette is to think about a lowercase e. That looks like this. And that's all you're going to do. And the tighter that you make that E when you go around in a circle, the tighter your rose is going to be. So let me show you here real quick. So I'm just working on a cake dummy tonight. And here, if we start in the middle and go out and bring this back around. Boop. Now if you take this and you go real wide, you can see that it's not as tight of a rose and it's going to somewhat look sloppy. You can also kind of build up that center of your rose a little bit and then work your way around. And see how that one's a lot tighter? When they're tight like that is when I like to use them on like a unicorn cake or something that is a smaller rose. I only went around like a circle, so a full circle. You do your E, you come around, usually you would stop, but I went back around totally. You can go around one more time if you're on a cupcake and it's a little bit wider of a cupcake. So it just depends on what you're putting them on, whether it's a cake or a cupcake. But I'll show you one more here. Around. I hope you liked the video this evening on our quick tutorial on a rosette. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section down below. As always, this is Caking at Midnight, and happy caking.